Hi, this will be a quick introduction on how to insert a picture into a blog post on Blackboard. So there's basically two ways that you can do this. First, you can upload a picture from your computer, or secondly, you can link to a picture from the internet. So first we'll upload a picture from our computer. So you're going to navigate to the blog assignment, in this case physics blog, and then you're going to create a new blog entry. Give the blog post a title, and then you can insert your text here. And then when you want to insert a picture from your computer, you're going to click on this little image icon right next to the paperclip. So you're going to click that and then browse my computer. Okay, so the picture I'm going to insert is called physics assignment, and I'm just going to open that. And then you'll see that image is there. And then once you've got it there, click Insert. Alright, so there you can see the images in the blog post. And then after you've typed up all your text, click Post Entry. And then you can see your image is there. So that's how you upload it from your computer. Now let's grab one from the internet. So click Create Blog Entry again. Give the post a title. Again, you're going to type up your text here. And then click on the image icon again. Except this time, what you're going to do is paste a URL from the internet. So find an image on the internet, and you're going to right click on the image and select Copy Image Address. So once that's copied, go back to the blog entry and paste it there. Click Insert again, and there is your image. Select Post Entry, and there you see there's the image. So that's two easy ways that you can insert an image into your blog post. I hope this was helpful.